Hi guys, welcome to Beer Cutter. So we are going to see March month's PNL, and March is a negative month. Not an issue. Just we got couple of red days and it went to minus 2000. And but how much we have earned is, as you can see here, it is 10,000, 16,000 plus 6,000, 22,000 we have earned, and we have lost 24,000. So that's why it is in minus 2k, but that's not an issue. We have just lost around 1.5 or 2% only in 1 month. So next month we'll be bouncing back stronger. Actually, this is non-avoidable trade, but this could have been avoided. If this is avoided, it would have been a positive month. Not an issue. You will come back stronger again in April. Thank you all.